Hey everybody, I've had quite a few questions about the DOS commands for putting the accents in, so I just want to make a quick video. If you do not have a number pad over to the right, doing your commands to get your accents in is going to be a little difficult. So I have that information here and I emailed that out earlier. But if you do not have access to that or it's not working for you or whatever, you can copy and paste right here from the word bank. So this is the quiz. This is question 1. Okay, so you see there's a word bank and it has 3 words. So I can just pick a word from here. So I'm just going to pick this first one. Okay, so I'm not even looking at the question, so I'm not telling you if this is correct or incorrect. So I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to click copy, and then I'm going to come down here to the blank and I'm going to click paste, and that will keep the accent for me. Okay, so I can keep it capital, I can go back and make this C lowercase, whatever is in the sentence. Since it's the beginning, I'm going to leave it capital, but like on this next one, it's in the middle, so you can make that lowercase. It will not mark it wrong if it's lowercase or capital. It will mark it wrong if you don't have your accents. So remember, questions have to have accents when they're interrogative words. So that's why we're making a big deal about making sure that you have the accents in there. So again, if you are unable to use the DOS commands with the Alt and the number pad, please copy and paste so you can get your accents in. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks, guys.